Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today, i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin para kay The Valeron Tower. Okay po? Hello po, so kumusta po kayo? So right now, I hope napanood niyo yung first video ko for this year, yung kay The Valeron Tower, yung project briefing po natin. So yung details po na yon is pre-project brief lang po yan. So hindi pa po siya hindi pa po siya completed. Okay, so antayin natin sa paglabas ng management yung complete details po ni The Valeron. Pero ayun, right now we're accepting na for those who are interested. Okay, you may register na. So for those who are interested nandiyan yung registration ko po nakalink po sa description down below this video para gusto niyo po mag-join sa lottery if you're interested to invest on this project. Okay? So ito naman ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin for this project. Okay? So unang-una, si The Valeron Tower po, a quick information muna tayo. So, The Valeron Tower is located along C5 Road. Okay, kung familiar kayo kay SM Hypermarket, Tiendesitas. Okay, so malapit itong project na ito. Nandun lang siya sa across the intersection lang. Ito po yung dating Isuzu building. Okay, nakatabi niya si Metrobank. Okay, so kagandahan nitong project na ito, malapit siya sa kay Ortigas, kay BGC, and kay Eastwood, and then kay Bridgetown, bagong development doon din sa area. And also, meron pa din develop dito naman bago po kay The Valeron is yung CR Covia City. So, kagandahan nitong project ito, this is only a one high-rise residential condominium po that composed of 55 stories. So, ila-launch natin na floor levels po natin dito. Starting sa 8th floor, okay, hanggang 14th floor. And then also, meron tayong sa higher floor naman from 51st floor hanggang penthouse. Okay, so para po sa mga interested doon sa mga floor levels, okay, and want to avail the introductory price and want to avail the promo discount, and then on top of pa po yun ng regular discount, okay. So, nandyan po yung ito po yung mga computations natin para po sa project na yon. For the computation po, so for this project po, we're offering 4 types of units. So, meron tayong studio unit, meron tayong 1-bedroom unit, meron tayong 2-bedroom unit, and meron po tayong 3-bedroom unit. So, ngayon, nag-iiba-iba rin yung mga sizes niya. Depende po sa unit location, depending on the floor plan. So, this computation ay based doon sa, not in particular, depende sa view, basta kung ano yung pinakamababang price, doon po ako nag-base ng computation. Okay, so, let's start with the computation of the studio unit. Okay, so sa studio unit natin, and also pala dito sa computation na to, so naka-base din ito sa standard down payment. Okay, so for those who are interested to avail dito sa promo unit, sa promo term, nandiyan yung numbers ko po, pwede nyo po makontak para pwede ko kayong kontakin nyo ako para pwede po ako makapag-send sa inyo ng computation based doon sa promo natin. Okay, so dito po, bakit po ito yung ginawa kong computation? Because of the bigger discount that na possible nyo pwedeng ma-avail. So, imagine ninyo, makaka-avail kayo ng 8% discount, diba? So, patagalin pa, ito yung computation natin. So, a studio unit, okay, na 32.50 square meters. And it is priced at, 7.6 million. Excuse, okay, so sa 7.6 million, magle-less pa tayo ng 4% na standard discount or yung regular discount natin. So, magle-less tayo 300,000 pa dyan. And then, from the net contract price, so magiging 7.3 million siya. So, from the net contract price, magle-less pa tayo ng promo discount. So, itong promo discount natin, this is the launching discount natin. Okay, so, certain ito sa mga ka-avail nito sa mga unang magre-reserve ng mga units. Okay? So, another 4% discount. So, magle-less pa tayo ng 293,000. Okay? So, ang contract price natin, mag-fall sa 7 million na lang. 7,045,000 632 pesos. Okay? So let's get that 30% down payment na amounting to 2.1 million and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin mag-fall sa 2,093,689. So ito na equally divide natin for 65 months. Okay, so for 65 months, ang monthly down payment natin, if you'll be getting a studio unit na 32 square meters, is at 32,210. And then yung remaining balance po ninyo na 70%, okay, na mag-due ito on July 2029. Okay, kasi ang turnover date natin is July 2029, na amounting to 4.9 million. Okay, so ito na yung remaining balance natin na 70%, plus the closing fees of the 739. Ito yung closing fees, ito po yung tithing fee natin. So ito yung binabayaran natin kay government para ma-transfer yung title under to the buyer's name. So the total balance of 5.6 million. Okay, so ito may option din tayo nito na pwede mo siyang isama sa loanable amount. So if sasama mo siya sa loanable amount, the maximum of 20 years. Okay, so for 20 years at 44,000, yung may highlight po na yellow, yun po yung may kasamang closing fees. Yung walang highlight, ito po yung walang kasamang closing fees. Kasi yung ibang clients ko, they prefer to cash it on the turnover day para mas maliit yung ilo-loan nila, or even pwede pang bawasan yung remaining balance para maliit na lang ilo-loan natin as a back. So maximum of 20 years, 44,000 pagkasama yung closing fees. For 15 years at 49,000, for 10 years at 64,000, and for 5 years at 110,000 pesos. So again, this ay pegged at 7.2% po. Okay? Interest rate. So yung next unit naman natin is yung 2-bedroom unit natin na 63 square meter. 67 square meter. So this one is a 2-bedroom unit, which is priced at 11.7 million. Okay? So last 4% discount, 469,000 po. And then another 4% discount na 450,000. Okay, so ang contract price natin from 11.7, mag-trim down siya into 10.8. So almost 1 million din yung na-discount po natin for this type of unit. So 30% down payment amounting to 3.2 million and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So net down payment natin is 3.2 million, 23,663. And then equally divide natin for 65 months. So for 65 months, ang monthly down payment natin is 49,594 and 80% tapos for 65 months. And then remaining balance po natin na 70% is amounting to 7.5 million plus the 1.1 million closing fee. So ang total balance natin is at 8.7 million. Okay? So ang total loanable amount natin is 8.7. So approximately maximum of 20 years for the monthly amortization for the bank financing is at 68,000. For 15 years at 75,000. For 10 years at 98,000 po. And lastly, for 5 years at 170,000 pesos. Okay? And then, yung last computation natin, so this one is for the 3-bedroom Unit E na 84.50 square meters. And it is priced at 14.5 million. Okay? So again, 4% less tayo na 582. Which is ang magiging net contract price natin sa 3.9, and less again na 4% for the promo discount na amounting to 559,000. So ang total contract price natin would fall at 3.4M. So let's get the 30% down payment amounting to 4M, less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang equally divide natin into 65 months. So for 65 months, a month down payment would be at 61,679. And then the remaining balance natin na 70% na 9.4 million plus the 1.4 million closing fees. So ang total balance natin would be at 10.8. So ito na po yung loanable amount natin. So maximum of 20 years at 85,000, 15 years at 94,000, 10 years at 122,000, and 5 years at 211,000 pesos. Okay? So, again, dito po sa mga prices po ng unit, this is the prices for the unit. Pero yung final details po ng project natin, I will release another video paglabas po nung full project briefing natin kasi hindi pa po ito na launch. Kumbaga soft launch pa lang siya. So hindi pa na-finalize yung mga details natin para po dito sa project na to. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project and if you want to invest, okay, on this project po, nandyan yung numbers ko po. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, okay? And then sa Facebook Messenger, nakalink din po sa description down below yung Facebook ko po para pwede nyo po makakontact din directly, okay? And of course, please don't forget po to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video dito kay YouTube, na-notify po tayo, okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.